This tutorial will show how to use the rule of double negation in the ProofLab. Okay, so here we have a proof, and this is kind of an annoying proof, which is why I'm not assigning it, because it doesn't let you use the basic rules. And it would be a lot easier with the basic rules. We could just go Q, we could just do arrow elimination to get not P. But we can't do that because we don't have arrow elimination. So we're having to do this the hard way. It's also made a little harder by the fact that transposition, so when I do transposition on not Q, arrow, not P, I should be able to get P, arrow, Q. And then I'd be all set up to do modus tollens with this not Q. However, because of the way transposition seems to be set up in the ProofLab, even though that's not really the way the rule of transposition works, we can only go one direction. So we can only switch it and negate the antecedent and the consequent. Whereas, really, we should be able to switch it and unnegate, as long as they're both negated. We should be able to either put negations on or take them off when we switch them. Because that's the way the rule really works. But so we've had to do this kind of annoying form. And what that means then is that we can't do modus tollens using line 5 and line 3, because it's going to yell at us. And that's rightly so, because there the form clearly says that what you have, you need to have a conditional, and then you need to have the negation of that conditional, and that's not what we have here. So what we're going to need to do, because what we need is one more negation than whatever is on our consequent, and what we have is one less. So we can get one more, but we have to double negate it in order to do that. So I'm going to do double negation on the line of not Q here. And I'm going to use double negation I, because I want to add more negations on. So I want to introduce more negations. If I did double negation elimination, well, it's not going to work, because I've only got one negation on here, so I can't take 2 off, and that's what I need to do. But I can certainly put 2 more on, and I'll have 3 negations on, not on the Q. Because more negations is apparently better. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm set up for modus tollens. So I'll do that. And that will give me not P. And that's what it should give me if that's what I'm applying modus tollens to. That's absolutely correct. However, I don't really want not P. What I really want is not P, so that I can use that to get S and T out of this line, and then I'm easily going to be able to get T and S. So I need to take 2 negations off. So I'm going to use the other version of the rule, the one that takes 2 negations off, and see here that's going to give me not P. So I click on the line, and then I click on the rule, and I click apply. So that's all there is to double negation. I can double negate anything I like. So if I want to double negate this formula, if I want to put 2 negations on, not a problem. If I want to take them off again, not a problem. I can keep doing that until the cows come home. Now what I can't do is, let's say, take this formula, and let's say I want to take I want to take the double negations off the P there, off the not P in the antecedent, and I want to take the 2 negations off of the consequent. Or say I want to do one or the other. I can't do that. I can't apply double negation elimination to parts of formulas, because the ProofLab doesn't let us do that. Annoyingly so, because it's a totally legal move. So that's how you use double negation in the ProofLab.